Okay, today we're going to take a good look at the INNOVA 6030P scanner ABS code reader. And I want to thank the folks at INNOVA for sending me this tool. We'll try out a few tests that this tool does, like a battery and alternator test, and we'll also go over some of the other features that this tool has. So stay tuned and we'll see what this tool can do. So let's get started. I'll use Fram right here. I got some of the
5W30.
Oh, it's minus 45.
Good for storage stuff.
That's air floor cleaner.
Out of the body. Air intake.
Okay, so I have no codes on my vehicle right now, but what I'm going to do is make a couple. So I came over here, I unplugged the throttle position sensor, and I came down here and I unplugged ABS sensor. So this is for the front and left wheel. Now let's see what the code reader says. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is plug the scanner in, and you have to find your OBD port. Mine's right over here. So I'll plug that in. I'll start up the vehicle. See system status. Let's go to that. Okay, there's ABS. Go to that one. Earlier. Yep, left front wheel sensor. See that? Okay, so pick that up. It's pretty good. It's good to know because you know you can have a right one out, a left one out. Some scanners won't tell you. It could be a rear one. Alright, it's auto position sensor right there. Pending. So it would eventually go off. The light would you know, I'd have a cell light, but I don't right now because it hasn't been unplugged that long. But let me plug those back in, and then we'll try doing some more tests on this. Okay, let's try the battery alternator test. On here, get this one. Battery test. Not transmission. Okay, press this one. Okay, turn it off. Turn it on. And the headlight's on. Press to continue. Turn off headlights. Press this one to continue. Start the engine. Battery status good. Alright, cool. Alright. Try the alternator test. This down. Alternator test. And the engine needs to be running at normal temperature. That's pretty good right now. Start the engine and turn your headlights. Yeah, it's on right now. Okay, increase idle speed 2,000 RPMs. And right here you can see it, right here it's showing me the RPMs. Starting to count down. Alright, 14.16 volts. Charging voltage within specifications. Alright, alternator status good. Alright, cool. Back to the menu again. You know, we got live data too. Let's check out some of these. Spark advance. That'll go down once it starts idling for a little while. It should be around 10. Engine coolant temperature ETC or ECT 180. That's right on. That's what I have for 100 thermostat is 180 degree thermostat. If you got a newer car, you're gonna have more information. Mine doesn't have that much. This is a standard. I think this is for all shifting, RPMs, vehicle speed if you're sitting slow. So yeah. Spark advance, it's jumping around a little bit. Let's see what else it's got here. You got vehicle information. And there's a lot more tests you can do on the scanner. For instance, right here, system tests, O2 sensor test, OBD monitor test, evap test. We got vehicle information, drive cycle procedures, service reset. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do with the scanner. I give the scanner, I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a pretty good tool. If you're interested in getting this tool, there'll be a link down below in the description. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.